out before the dawn, like an old friend I had forgotten, touching every wound I hide, no, every ghost I keep inside. The streets are mirrors made of years, holding fragments, hopes and fears. Every puddle softly shows versions of me no one knows. And maybe we're all passing clouds, borrowing shapes, becoming shadows, trying to hold what cannot stay, watching our colors wash away. Rain knows my name even when I change, even when the world forgets the dreams I couldn't save, the stories I don't tell. Every drop falls from the sky like a piece of farewell. I chased the sunlight all my life, measured days and wins and fights, built my castles out of sand, thinking they would always stand. But the rain speaks without a sound, showing what gets lost and found, that every ending leaves a trace, and every loss creates a space for another love, another song, another reason to move on. The river never asked the sea why it must leave endlessly. Rain knows my name even when I change, even when my reflection fades from every window pane. The heart beneath the scars, every storm that breaks us so bad, makes room for the stars. Unseen, searching for what we might need. When the clouds return someday, I won't ask them